Hey YouTube, welcome back. How's all the beautiful people doing? Huh? Here we have a Lawnboy 21-inch self-propelled mower with a 6.5 or 149cc Kohler, the xt650. Supposedly does not run. We're gonna squirt a little go-go juice down the throat, see what it does, and hopefully I've already checked the oil in it. It was full. It was too full, so I drained some of it out. All I've done, like I said, give it a bath. I did hook a battery up so that we can be lazy. Don't be hating. Hey, no air filter. How about them apples? I did got some Velcro on the bale so it'll start. Come on. Well, we know that she will fire. We know that we have compression, we have spark. So we just got to get the old fuel situation figured out. So let me get this up on a stand, get you guys moved around, and we'll dive in. Hey fellas, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Alright. Let's dive in, shall we? We'll just throw it down then, huh? Let me pick that up where I leave it. I am going to buzz this pull start off so we can see what's going on upstairs. I don't know why people buy these electric start mowers and then just when the battery dies they just leave it be. I'm lazy. If I can start it with a key, I'm in. I'm not interested in pulling that rope if I don't have to. Alright. Get this little bugger out of the way. Get off there. Like I said, it was too full of oil, so I did have to pull some of that out. Get off. Alright. I don't know why, but that's the third or fourth mower I've had in the last week or so with too much damn oil in it. Let me get air hose and blow some of that shit out of there. Watch out. Alright, we got the auto choke system going on over here. Here's my needle nose right here behind me. Get that fuel line out of the way. Seem to have misplaced my clamp. I had a fuel line clamp, but I don't know what the hell I did with it. That'll have to work. I'm gonna try and stay out of y'all's way. I'm making promises, so sometimes they just don't work out too good. There is a screen inside that tank that very well could be an issue. This little piece here will pop right off, I think. Well, maybe not on this one. Some of them do, but that one ain't looking very promising. We'll deal with it. Get out of there. Throttle stuck. How about that? Nice. Come on. There we go. Got the throttle out of the way. Should be able to. This ain't really working in my favor. Let me just get that damn choke out of the way. Shit, fire. It's too late in the day to be struggling like this. Man. Now we got it licked. Alright, let's just crack this open right here where it's at. Hey, that ain't no gas in it. That screen inside that tank light will be plugged up. I bet you. Just for shits and giggles. Crack that boy open. Dry. Bone dry. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh yeah. Well, it ain't just awful. Yeah, it smells old, so whatever was in there at one time was terrible. So, I'll get you guys moved over here to my little station, and we'll dive into this booger and see what we can blow out. Kadooker. Got her moved over here. Let go. Ooh, got a spring. Better remember that one, huh? Think she'll come out? Well, yeah. Well, hell yeah. Out of there. There it is. Not sure what that was. Wet. I think this wire is probably a little bit too grande. Yeah. See if that emulsion tube will play nice for us. Maybe not. Soak it for a little bit, maybe it will. Looks to me like, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but there's some shit going on right here. Like that gasket's been leaking. Somewhere in my flashlight. Y'all tell? Well, down inside there it looks a little bit snotty. Take this piece of the puzzle out. All right. Butterfingers. All right, let's I don't know if that's gonna come off without multiplying into many pieces. I've got some of these on order, but they haven't shown up yet. So, all right, let's put this in ultrasonic for a little bit. We'll pull it back out and see if I can get that emulsion tube out. Maybe these gaskets and stuff will come out of there so we can give her a good soaking. All right, I did about 5 or 6 minutes into the cooking process. I pulled the carburetor back out and was able to get the emulsion tube free. So we'll just run a wires through all the little holes. Usually they're clean whenever you come out of the ultrasonic with them, but not always. As I stated before, just old cheap torch tip cleaner. That's all you need. $3 or $4, if that. Yeah, let's see. Make sure everything is good with the pilot. Ooh, she was a little boogered up. Yeah. Clean now. Cool. Let me grab my carb cleaner right here and we'll squirt a little through there. Watch your eyeballs. Sometimes this will get you. Oh yeah. All right. Gaskets look fine. It didn't chew them up. This one got a little soggy on me, but she's good. She'll be all right. Okay. The hell out of the way. This mower doesn't idle, so you don't have to do anything fancy with this. Just run it in there enough to hold the pilot jet in. Somewhere right in there is just right. Just right. Let me run a little, blow a little shit through there. Oh yeah. Good enough. Good enough, man. Dump all that out. Get your torch tip cleaner, just run it through here, make sure that booger's good. Ooh, that's upside down there, Gomer. Carburetors are pretty simple. Don't forget the spring. We got a spring on here. Don't forget that. I'm just gonna pull your spring down a little bit. If you can. Not the easiest thing to do, I'll say that. Damn. Okay. Yeah. Good luck with that one. that in there, just like so. That thing cleaned up pretty good. We want that drain facing out so that it can be accessed. Now let's go this way with it. Well, we can get to it from the front of the mower, maybe. Yeah. And you don't have to have an ultrasonic to clean a carburetor. I cleaned 1,000 of them without one and works just fine. Just sometimes it's a little bit easier. Just like that emulsion too. Before I would have probably kept farting with it till I broke something, but let her soak a little bit and she'll come right out. Okay. What do you say we put what do you say we put this back on and see if she'll chooch? Let's do it. Well, what do y'all think? Is it gonna go? Is she gonna go? You know what? I don't have to fart with that just yet. And watch this gasket. Especially if you don't have one to put back in its place. And I don't. At all. Okay. Get the old choke. Like so. Come on, man. Get on there. Dang. Way too long of a day to be wrestling with you. Throttle. The throttle did free up nice. Yeah. There we go. I put this clamp on here just in case I got a wild hair and decided to fire it up while it's up here. I doubt I do, but you never know. You never know. One of these days I will. Dadgummit. Uh-oh. It amazes me too, the amount of mowers that I see that don't have air filters on them. Like, what the piss? Guys, what are we doing? That out of there. Ooh. Should have put this clamp on there before. Oh. Oh, we got it. Yeah, there it is. Beautiful. B-E-A, beautiful. Alright. Throw this on. And this. Whoopsie. Where the hell did that go? There it is. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a really long day. What in the world? How in the world? Okay. Alright. Let me get the air filter on it and we'll get her on the ground and we'll go kabooey. Alrighty. Got her down here. Got a breeder. Place your bets. And I did hook the battery back up just because I think it's cool. Oh man, get your ass on there. There we go. Get in there. Alright. What do you think? Ready? I'm ready. Let's go. That's another one down, fellas. All right, thanks for joining in, guys. Please like, subscribe, share it if you learned anything. If you didn't, let me know why, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.